In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit your layout using exclusion bridges. We've talked in another video about using inclusion zones as a way of bridging blocks between boundaries. This will essentially be the opposite of that. You can see in this area, I have a block that consists mostly of this top part, but there is also a run of trackers down here. This is going to cause a lot of extra wiring, so to avoid that, we're going to use an exclusion bridge to break this block up. So I'm going to click on the plus sign on the right-hand toolbar and create a boundary. And now I'm going to draw a small sliver cutting across this area. And note that I'm making sure this goes outside of the buildable area. If I had it end within this boundary, the system would just run wire around it, and we want it to completely block this off as an option. Now I'm going to open the object details of this boundary and change it to an exclusion zone, and then go to my layout panel, making sure my new boundary is included, and generate again. And now you can see with the exclusion bridge there, it has forced the system to create a small block over in this area. So not only am I saving on wiring, I'm also finding the optimal way to fit my trackers onto my site. There are many different ways that you can use this function to cut up and edit your site. This is just one of them. So I encourage you to try exclusion bridges out for yourself and see what you can come up with. Thanks for watching.